Broadcast. Bah! Want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Tuesday. One-way Tuesday. No pullback. No soup for you. Tuesday, December the 20th, 2011, 4 p.m. Eastern. What a day. What a day. What a suck-ass day. One-way Tuesday, no back and fill, no nothing. Zero. Zippo. Why the rally? Let me adjust the mic. Why the rally? U.S. housing market, better. European debt sales, better. Dow up over 340 points. S&P up 36 handles. One way. I even thought the Australian minutes weren't even that great. They said things continuing aren't, European crisis worsening. But I guess there were some good things. But I'll tell you, S&Ps from the get-go were strong all night. All night they were up. No negative, nothing. And it's amazing. It's like you look at this day. People, I will tell you to sell every time. I mean, look at this candle. Terrible. Boom, in your face. Look at this candle. Look terrible. That was on a Friday. Terrible close. Horrible. Boom, in your face. It's almost like the central bankers are there when they know the shit's going to hit the fan. I had to say it, sorry. They know. They know what to do. Screw the shorts. Lots of curses today because I got killed. Oh, God. There'll be days like these. But other than that, London, CBI realized sales, much better. That was a great number. That was a very good number. 9. It was looking at negative 14. German IFO, I can understand. I don't think the rally was because German IFO. Look at the euro. Euro sterling was negative. Euro dollar is barely even up. It's up 75 pips. Aussie's up 200. Just about. But German IFO 107.2 better. Canadian CPI data a little bit on the light side, only up 0.1. Other numbers, though, on the CPI data were pretty much in line. But again, U.S. building permits, big, 680,000. Housing starts, 690. Mostly multifamily homes. So I don't know if the U.S. housing number, existing home sales tomorrow, which is the big number in the U.S. session. We do have Canadian retail sales. But when we look at this dollar index, it took a hit. Back to this, okay? FX Check, I don't get them, but whatever. Their services suck lately, FX Check. I'll put on record. What is up with that? Delay. I mean, I got my futures moving on my thing. And I'm like, wait, look at the lag. But whatever. Dollar index daily chart broke. No matter how you want to slice it, it broke. Closing below support, below the 10 exponential moving average. It looks like we could even fib. I mean, look, maybe this is the start of a year-end rally. But dollar index, I think, could easily come in to 79, 78.50. The ECB supposedly is going to be selling $500 billion with a B. It's basically trash for cash. ECB says, give us your trash, your sovereign debt, and we'll give you a loan. 1% for 3 years. $500 billion. That would be a good thing. That would be really good. This euro could fly. So we'll take a look at the chart, but you would imagine there's going to be follow-through tonight. I would think, you know me, I'm the big bear, but We got to go to the dark side, people. I don't think we have a choice. Look at this euro dollar. Daily chart. I mean, closing decent. Above is a 4-day high. Hit the 10 exponential and stalled. I'd make a case, though. Channel line. Right at the 30, that's 133. Certainly 132. 132 looks easy. Easy. I'm not sure when the debt sales go off. Probably around 4 a.m. Eastern, 5. Only other numbers we got coming out, we got Japan with a rate decision. Current account out of New Zealand in about 40 minutes. Excuse me, Kiwi acting well today. All of them did. Gold, oil, everything. Risk on, baby. You know, my thing is, I have no problem with that. It's just you didn't have a chance on the short side. All night. You had to take it off. You know, early Europe, late Asia. That was your only shot. If you didn't do that, oh boy. No soup for you. I could have covered this Aussie dollar. 99.75. I didn't. Killed in the Aussie again. It's unbelievable. I was just looking for a pullback. Get out. Never got one. I mean, look at this Aussie. Just like the S&P. Lockstep. And now we're probably going to hit our channel line. Now we're up to, what was that, 102? I got a fib retracement. That's 102, actually, 75. I don't think we're going up another 200 pips. I really don't. I think we fib, we reverse. I need to take a fib of this whole move. So it looks like 101.80. But we should get followed through easy tonight, people. Easy. They're one of the best looking charts in my opinion. Look at this dollar Canada. Looks great. I'm jumping around, but channel line. It's like 101.20. But that was a nice break. 5-day low. Looks like we get follow through. Monster wedge. I mean, look at this wedge. Never hit my channel line. I thought I was going to get there. Never got there. It's a big time wedge for me. Problem is, remember, I like them to break it out to break it down. We never got that. But I think we have no choice. No choice. Retail sales out of Canada is supposed to be up 0.3 on the core side. Excuse me. I have no idea. Last month I know was up 0.5. I probably say an inline number. I don't have any real, conviction. But this chart looks good. Take a look at some other ones. We're doing dollars today. Dollars first. Dollars. Dollar yen. Let me tell you something about dollar yen. The day dollar yen is up, when the dollar's down, that's when you know we've broken. Because dollar yen is basically trading with the dollar. Dollar's down, dollar yen down. The day dollar yen is up 50 to 100 pips, with the euro up 100 pips, let's say, or 50, 100. That's it. The game changed. Until then, dollar yen's just going to drift. It's not going to collapse, maybe, with the dollar exploding. Collapsing, I mean. But that's the day when we know things have changed. Dollar Canada we did. Dollar Swiss. Dollar Swiss worked out well today. But I got to tell you, the Swiss franc in general, I don't know. Pound Swiss. Pound Swiss is up nice. Looks good. Dollar Swiss, I think, comes in more. I was a little nervous about this chart, but breaking this whole channel line here. 1, 2. Busted. This thing might come into 91. Cable. good. CBI realized sales up nicely. Listen, I get it wrong. I didn't fight this tape today. I took my licks. I got out. Unfortunately, something's almost at the highs, but I didn't fight it. I told you, I tried to buy the freaking euro. Didn't work. I'm down 20 pips. Crazy. But I'll tell you, this cable looks good. Easy. 57.75. We should hit that target easy. Channel line, that's 58.50. That's another 200 pips. I don't know about that. I think we get a fake out move. You know, we're up big. Euro should be up. You would think that these bond sales would be good. Aussie, we did that already. This just amazed me, though. I mean, to close the lows and then never be negative. Never. All throughout Asia, even before 7:30 p.m. Eastern, before the minutes came out, this thing was up. You know, sometimes you got to listen to the market. I refuse sometimes. Sometimes I'm like, no. As my P&L goes down, down, down. And what a joke. But it's part of trading, people. Brush it off. Switch your bias and go where the money's going. And the money, we're going up. This thing looks like 102.75. It's another 200 pips, but like I said, do your fib. I think that 101.70 should be an easy 100 pips. Should. New Zealand, another one. Never negative. Never. This should be easy. 77.75. Easy. 77.50 should be easy. Again, they pull back. You know, like this dollar Canada. I like that. Because now we can pop a little and then boom, come in. There might not be much of a bounce from here. Let's take a look at some of the euros as we always do. Euro Swiss continues to grind lower, but holding. Not so sure about that Euro Swiss. I'm out. Euro Yen, who gives nothing? This thing sucks, but it's probably a buy. Look at that double bottom. I mean, once again, we're trading at 10-year lows right now. 10. Could this be a bottom? Well, it's a 5-day high. Closed well off. It touched the 10 EMA as well. Like the euro dollar. Well, dollar yen goes nowhere. Of course it's going to do that. Euro sterling sucks. Again, I'm warming up to this for a trade. Just for a trade. If the ECB does 500 billion, that's a lot. That's a lot of euros. That's a lot of crap off the bank's balance sheets. That's a good thing. Really good. So, when you look at this, certainly we might test 83. But I don't know. Third base. I think this baby has a chance to pop. I think the euro. I'm scared. Listen, Euro Canada looks terrible. Made a little money in it today. But I'm scared. Maybe dollar Canada collapses, touches 134, and then we reverse. Something like that. But this baby looks terrible. I love dollar Canada. I love the Canadian dollar long. Like I said, one of my premium members just woke up and he missed it. So I'll give you another recap on dollar Canada because it definitely is a blue horseshoe trade. Blue horseshoe loves dollar Canada short. You hear that, Ronnie boy? Blue horseshoe loves dollar Canada short. Oh, baby. It's an all-in trade there. Making the call. Oh, baby. Look, This chart looks gorgeous. 4-day low. You had oil, gold up. CPI, the only thing that really held it abated, but I think CPI was a little understated. Retail sales tomorrow. Thoughts? Certainly, like I said, here. Looks like 101.25. Well, you get good retail sales to the moon. Fly me to the moon. And I'll tell you what. Like this pound Swiss, I don't like this pound Swiss anymore. Bullish engulfing. Looks good. I don't like it short anymore, people. I told you it was a 3-day trade. Didn't get to 44.50, but came close enough. And now the pound Aussie trade. I can't believe it. I got to be short. Never had a chance. And they close it so well. This thing should come into 154. Even my channel line here, we got 153 now. Pick your poison, right? Wedging. All these wedges all over. Break it down to break it out. The question is, will we have a year-end rally? That's really it. Pound Kiwi. Another one. Look at this thing. Double top. It should be a trade down to 201, 202. Little head and shoulders action going on. S&P's closed strong. This thing wasn't even that, you know. I got 1270 on the S&P target. Let's take a look at gold. And again, people, if you have any questions, and listen, I never profess to make money every day. I got killed today. But you know what? Wipe it off and make the goddamn money back. Hello. That's it. New day. That's what's nice about 5 o'clock. It's a new freaking day. Even though it never ends. Crude. Oh, boy. Looks good. Looks like we can go for 99. Easy. And, of course, gold. Gold looks like it's going to go higher. You know, we had the doji, but no follow-through, no soup view. I don't know if gold's going to explode. But, again, the key is, yeah, right. Uh-huh. You know, said fill up the slot machine again. I don't view trading as gambling. It's risk-taking, of course. But it's all about having probability on your side. It's all about trading with an edge. If you just trade with reckless abandon, yes, that's gambling. If you trade when you look at the charts and analyze things like this, no, it's not. Boom. But again, people, if you have any questions about any aspect of my business, email me at info@globalfxradio.com. globalfxllc.com. Whichever one. I think that if the Republicans, Democrats can get their act together, maybe they'll, I guess, do the right thing. Give the payroll tax cut. What's amazing is the way Washington talking about this. We don't want to raise taxes on anyone. This thing was a temporary freaking measure. This is the payroll tax. You got to be kidding me. It's like the biggest joke in the world. How they're viewing this as a tax increase. It's nuts. Nuts. But looking at this gold, looks like it's going higher. Obama just sucks. He really does. Back to the euro one last time. So, debt sale. $500 billion. $500 billion. These banks might give trash for cash. That sounds like a bazooka to me. That's a pretty big number. You get that kind of number, euro's going up. Might go down first, but then it's going up. All right, people. Again, email me, info@globalfxllc.com. Andrew Spanton, Premium. Questions? Email me. The only voice you'll ever need, who truly loves making you money. Have a good night.